Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw with lettuce step by step. Start by rinsing and drying crisp lettuce, then shred cabbage and carrots into thin ribbons. Whisk a tangy dressing of mayo, vinegar, a touch of sugar, salt, and black pepper. Fold dressing into vegetables gently so leaves stay crisp. Taste and adjust salt or vinegar, then chill briefly before serving for best flavor. Ready to customize your coleslaw? Start with a base of shredded lettuce and add thin sliced red cabbage for color. For crunch, mix in diced apples, toasted nuts, or seeds sparingly. Swap mayo for yogurt or a vinaigrette to lighten the dish. Add chopped herbs like parsley or dill for fresh notes. Let flavors meld for at least 15 minutes, then serve chilled with grilled meats or sandwiches and sides. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy small comforts, consider the socks shown here during your kitchen shifts. They make prep comfier and help prevent slips. If you like this content, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. I mentioned the socks. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty as a fun tip. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your coleslaw gets watery, toss it again and blot excess moisture with paper towels before serving. To keep lettuce crisp, dress it just before plating. Try adding acidity like lemon juice or apple cider vinegar for brightness. Adjust salt and sweetness to balance flavors, and remember that chilling enhances melding. Serve within a few hours for best texture and freshness. Refrigerate covered to retain crunch and do not freeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.